number one thing is you have to put a schedule in your diary for when you're going to do it. Tell everybody else and do things that you need to do, like put a sign on the door. Painting, do not disturb. Actually put a physical sign on the door and teach everybody that it's not okay to come in when that sign is up. They have to get the phone for you. They have to take messages for you. Any questions they have will wait till the end of the session. So you can do things like when you're training your people around you, if you put the sign up and you've asked them to not disturb you during that time, then when they come in and say, it's urgent, I've got to know the answer to this question, you say, honey, it's my painting time. Would you mind holding on to that question until 11 o'clock when we've decided that I'm going to finish? Is that okay? And you don't buy into it. Don't answer the question. You say, can I just answer that at 11 o'clock? And shoo him away and train him that he's not going to get rewarded with an answer by coming in. And then gradually you'll find that people will respect it. The other thing that you can do, what Tony Smybert does, is he's got this white lab coat, like chemists and science guys use. As soon as he puts on his white lab coat, he's in the zone. But also, everyone around him knows. Don't talk to him about anything except art. You could design a little do not disturb sign that sits on your table. But before you use it, you chat with them and you say, honey, darlings, everybody, can I have a family meeting? I know you love me and I love you too, but when I'm painting, I find it really hard to keep painting and talk at the same time, because the part of my brain that does painting puts my talking brain to sleep. And when you ask me to talk, it ruins my painting. So is it okay if I just when I have my painting time, I want to put up this little sign so you know when it's okay and when it's not okay to talk to me. So it's really clear and there's no confusion. When I've got that sign up, would you mind just saving your questions until after I've put the sign down? And then they'll understand, because they don't understand that you can't talk while you paint. So you've got to help them to understand that, and then they have to have a visual clue that you're in that zone for that period. And then you put it down, you tilt the sign over onto the table and say, what was the answer? What was that question? And definitely answer the questions they came up with. And then it's amazing how short a time you can train them doing that sort of thing. And it's a loving way to do it.
I think
if she does talk to you after you explaining it to her, what you could do is A, not answer.
Yes. That's what I often do.
Because you've already explained. Or B, say, I'm just painting now, I can't talk to you. Has some sort of routine answer that's just a rote answer that you don't have to think about what the words are, you just say this, and it's like a chant. You have to say it over and over and over, and then finally they'll get it. So hopefully those ideas will help you. They've helped me.
Yes.
Putting it into my diary and training everyone around me has been a really good way.